Students, myself Sonal teacher and I welcome you all in computer class. So students, in last lecture we have learned some poems related to ICT, right? So today we are going to start with fifth chapter. We are going to learn some uses of ICT. ICT means information communication technology. Now students, open page number 25, lesson number 5. Uses of ICT. So in this lesson students, we are going to learn how ICT is useful in several things. So shall we start with the lesson? Let's start. We have learned about ICT and its different tools, right? We have learned which are the ICT tools, right? How can we use ICT to learn new things? How does it help us? So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to use an ICT tools and how to learn new things and how the ICT help us in our day-to-day life. We can learn languages using ICT. We can also learn mathematics with the help of computer courses. We can also use ICT to learn about the environment. So with the help of ICT, you can learn languages, you can learn maths, you can learn about environment also. ICT uses us as a tool for learning because of the following reasons. So why ICT is recognized as a tool for learning? So below they have given us a reason. First reason is it is interesting to learn by watching videos. So you all know you like to learn by watching videos. When we go in e-learning room, you all like to learn in e-learning room with the help of videos and you understand better with the help of videos. It is easy to listen. You are while watching a video, it is very easy to listen and it is fun to use. There are various educational CDs and DVDs on different subjects which are helpful learning tool. You insert the CDs or DVDs in the drives on the cabinet or in the laptop. So you all know now where several CDs and DVDs related to all the subjects now available. So just you need to add this, insert this CDs or DVD drives into a cabinet or in the laptop. You all know in the laptop also we have tray here, drive here, and in the CPU or cabinet also we have drive for CD or DVDs. So with the help of this trays you can use CD or DVD in the computer. Now turn your page on page number 26. We are going to learn first use of ICT. So how the ICT is useful in languages. ICT and languages. The best way to learn a language is to listen to people speaking it. So when you want to learn any language, now you are in second standard, you are also learning English, how to speak English. When you listen to others people, how they are speaking, you understand better. It help you to speak. You will find many CDs and DVDs teaching the English language. You will also find CDs and DVD teaching different languages. Nowadays, you can find many CDs and DVDs available in the market which can help us to learn English or other different languages also. Some CDs and DVDs are interactive. It means the students can perform activities, solve exercises and play games. This makes learning a fun activity. So some are just learning DVDs, but some interactive CD and DVDs you can play games, you can do some activities while learning, you can solve exercises, and in this funny way you can learn how to speak English or other languages. There are nursery rhymes, CDs and DVDs, grammar, storytelling, phonics, and many more CDs and or DVDs. So nursery students or junior KG, senior KG, with their books they got the CDs as well. In that CDs, they have the poems which are there in their textbook. So here they have shown us some CDs which helps them to learn the poems. Most poems and rhymes have the songs written in text on the screen as they play. When you start the CD, you play that song, the words or text that poem is having, you can see that text on computer and you can read that with the help of monitor as well. You can also develop good reading skills by reading words on the computer screen. So as I said, when you play the rhyme CDs or poem CDs on computer, you can see the words or text that is there in the poem that you can see on monitor. So it help you to develop your reading skills as well. You can view the CDs and DVDs and many times as you want and whenever you want. So whether you are in the school or in a house, whenever you want to listen to the poems, whenever you want to learn the poems, you can learn anywhere or whenever you want. At any time and anywhere you can watch these poems. Ask your teacher to play nursery rhymes, CD, DVDs in class. Listen to the rhymes. Also read the text written on the screen and sing along. This we can't do, students, because you are also home and I am also at home. Okay. So this is how an ICT is helpful in languages. You can learn different languages. You can learn English with the help of computer only. And if you want to learn some poem, you can use CD, DVDs. With the help of CD, DVDs, you can learn the poems and you can develop your reading skills as well. Next use of ICT is, students, ICT in mathematics, ICT in maths. Okay. Do you all like math subject? I like my math subject. Okay. Mathematics is all about calculations. So when you are doing a maths, it's all about calculation, addition, subtractions, right? There are many ICT tools such as calculator and Microsoft Excel that help us perform calculation quickly and correctly. So here you can see this is calculator and this is an Excel sheet. With the help of calculator, you can calculate anything, like you can addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. With the help of Excel sheet, you can do other calculations, like you can find minimum, maximum number. You can calculate the average or percentage. You can do the addition, subtraction as well. Also, ICT tools provide an immediate result. With the help of calculator and with the help of Excel sheet, you can get the result immediately. So basically, students, this helps us to calculate some mathematics problems. So I want to tell you about this Excel sheet. It's a software which helps us to record or save a huge amount of data, a bulk amount of data in computer, and with the help of Excel sheet you can perform different calculations as well. And you all know about calculator also, right? जैसे हमारे पास होता है घर में calculator, वैसे ही यहाँ पे होता है, but you need to use this calculator with the help of mouse. There are many CD and DVDs available that make learning mathematics fun. Some mathematics games also available, which with the help of that games you can learn mathematics easily. They have animated characters, they teach us numbers, they also teach us addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So with the funny way you can learn addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We can perform activities and learn numbers and do calculations using interactive CDs and DVDs. So with the help of CD and DVDs, some interactive CDs and DVDs are available. With the help of them, you can perform some activities, you can learn numbers, you can do the calculations also. So in this way, ICT is using mathematics, where you can do simple calculations like addition, subtraction and multiplication or division. And with these two tools, ICT tools, you can perform this calculation. One is calculator and another one is MS Excel. And with the help of ICT tools, you can learn the mathematics in easy way, in fun loving way. Next is ICT and environmental science. Now we are going to learn how the ICT is useful in environmental science. There are many ICT tools that can be used to learn about environmental science. So we have many ICT tools available that can with the help of that tools we can learn about in EVS. Okay, you can use ICT tools like the TV and CD DVDs to learn about the environment. They teach you about the problems in the environment. So with the help of some CD DVDs or television, you can learn about environment. And they also teach you about the problems what are the problems there in the environment. They also teach you the causes and the ways to resolve the problems. So also with the help of television, you can know why these problems are occurred, or how to resolve this problem. So both the things you can learn with the help of this ICT tools. Turn your page on page number 28. You will find CD and DVDs with the videos that allow you to see and learn about the space outside Earth. So as you can use television also, and with some CD or DVDs you can learn about space as well. There are also DVD and CDs about forest, water bodies, mountains and so on. You can learn about many different things about environment. You can learn about forest, you can learn about mountain, waterfall. You can learn about all the things which comes under in environment. You can also get to know what is harmful for the environment. So with the help of the CDs, videos or television, you get to know which are the harmful things which affect our environment. How to protect them you also can learn, and how to take a precautions also. Watch a few DVDs and CDs about environmental science and find out ways in which we can help our environment. So in this way, ICT is used in EVS for recognizing causes about the problems, and you can get some solutions as well for or you can do some precautions as well to not to harm the environment. Next point is learning lessons online. Now how to learn the lessons online. Okay, you can also learn the subjects online using the internet. Online means we need to use internet. You do not need to buy CD or DVD. We just have to go on this website. Okay, if you scroll down, you will see subjects. Click on the subject and select standard 2. You can watch the demo videos available. To watch all the videos, you need to buy a packages mentioned on the website. Once you buy and download the packages, you can watch these videos any number of time. So as they shown is here, this is a website. You need to go through this website, and then we need to buy this packages, and then you can view this video many number of times. Once you learning lessons online is beneficial, because now we are going to learn how the online learning or online lessons learning is beneficial for us. You can watch the videos from anywhere using any computer. So now also all the subject teachers are sending videos. They all have the YouTube channels. Okay, So you can view that YouTube channel at any time, anywhere, at number of time or any number of time you can watch the videos, you can repeat that videos. This is the beneficial of online learning. You can watch the videos multiple times. I only said you can watch these videos multiple times. How many times you are not understanding, you can repeat that video that time. You can see pictures of all the examples. You can see some pictures they have shown for examples. You can see videos of all the activities and experiments. If some related EVS related experiments or activities are there, you can do that also. You can see that also. The text on screen helps to learn new words. When a new words comes, you can repeat that video for hearing a proper pronunciation, or you can learn the spellings for writing work. So you can, with the help of online learning, you can learn new words. The videos make a subject to understand. With the help of videos, you can understand easy. The animation makes learning a fun experience. So when an animation video is there, you like to learn it, and you enjoy the learning, and you fun the experience of animation learning. So here we have finished with our chapter, and today we have learned about the uses of ICT, how the ICT is useful in our day-to-day activities. First thing, with the help of CD or DVD drives, you can play the CDs. Okay. Next, we learn about how the ICT is useful in languages. So with the help of ICT, you can learn English languages, or you can learn other different languages. Whether you are watching TV, or you can play the CD or DVDs. Next, we learn about how with the help of CD or DVD, you can learn poems as well. Next, we learn about mathematics. So with the help of this ICT tools, one is calculator, another one is MS Excel. With the help of this ICT tools, you can do a simple calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. With some activities or games, you can understand better for mathematics. Next, we learn about environmental, which help us to know the problems about environment, and what are the causes and how to resolve the problems. This all the things we can learn with the help of TV or CD, DVD. Next, we learn how we can know better how to protect, or what are the precautions we need to take care when for environment. And next, we learn how the online classes or online lessons learning is beneficial for you students. So I hope you all have understood all the points which we covered today. If you have any doubt or query, kindly call me or message me. I will send you question and answers on your WhatsApp group. Kindly complete it and send me on my personal number. Thank you.